What's up, guys? Well, we're here at the White Marlin Marina. I'll show you how we have our boat set up for cruising real quick while we were doing our keys thing. It's a little bit of a mess, so it's not exactly right. But the head, we have a bucket. Normally this trash bag is there, but now we just installed this nice little poo paper holder. Trash bag can go on that, but every good boat has a bucket. We installed a shelf down in there to keep things from disappearing. So we got some cleaning supplies in there. That's always nice. We got our second collapsible water thing in there. Anytime anybody has to use the bathroom, of course, all this has to come out, but that's all right. Not too difficult. There's three of us on the boat. We've got groceries, water bottle, extra supplies, towels, whatever, all that stuff, plus my bags, which I have too many because some of it's camera gear, but you know how that goes. My pillows, my sleeping arrangement right here. We've got these fancy nets held up here, which just installed last night. We have some more we need to put around the boat, but they are so handy. Got my iPad and glasses and all my drugs, snacks, what so have you. Found these phone holder plus cup holder. I'll link that on the Amazon so y'all can see all that. We got our Coleman grill, Keurig coffee maker there. It's wired to an inverter way down over here, so we can actually use a little battery power in the morning to make coffee. And then we have GFI that we plug that into so we can charge, or so we can power up the coffee maker. We got our boat registration. We got charge cords and electronic stuff. Here we have a couple of safety items. Basically, not really. It's it's pumps to inflate inflatable camp pads. So we actually keep 3 right here with the start battery. Right here with the start battery, we have 3 Coleman twin size camp pads. And then we put our ropes and lines and stuff on top. We're tied at the dock, so there's none in there right now. But why do we keep those? Well, we did take all the foam out of the boat. So if we start taking it on water, we did install bilge pumps, but if we start taking on some water more than we think we can handle or plug, the goal is to pull those out real quick, scatter them around the boat, and inflate them. Maybe we'll keep it afloat, maybe not, but hey, whatever. We also have life jackets and other foam stuff scattered around. And that safety foam, by the way, we tested one of the square blocks. It held water. It held quite a bit of, it was fairly floatable at first when I dunked it in a 55-gallon water barrel. The longer I held it, the less floatable it got. All the air sucked out. That one square block couldn't even hold like 10 pounds at the end of it, where at first it was holding 40, then it was only holding about 10 pounds. So I don't trust that safety foam anyway. We're gonna trust our bilge pumps. Back here is our toy box. We got dive gear in there. 3 fins, 3 masks, snorkels, some wetsuits and whatnot. Got our TV set up, and of course this area is some more life jackets, throwable fenders, just everything. Nobody really sits here and puts their legs under, because that's just where stuff ends up getting piled up when there's this many people on the boat. Under here is just, you know, Johnny and Valley's personal effects. Then we got some tools and things under here as well. Johnny and Valerie's roll-up sleepy stuff. Under here, we just call it the pantry. A little bit of dry food. We also keep dry food in some cloth grocery bags back there that are insulated. Our propane tank, and then way down under here. Okay, here we are. We're under there. We got our water hose, our shoreline, little extra power cord, one of our bilge pumps that we installed. We got I think that's our bimini cover. We got installed some wood here to keep stuff from sliding back. We did that up in the frontward compartments as well. We got life jackets, like 6 life jackets stuffed under here. We also have in that front hole, we have a few more life jackets plus some other floatable stuff to replace that old safety foam and some other storage, you know, items. Ukulele. If you like the bungee cords hanging here everywhere, we can hang up paper towels, gloves, apples, whatever you got. Extra sunglasses, ukulele, and this one I can throw my blanket across, make a privacy shield, because when you're sitting in the toilet, it's not a whole lot of room to get your business done. So I'm pretty much one leg in, one leg out the whole time. I'm about 6 foot, 220. So, you know, the ladies might have a problem with it, but this big boy, I gotta have some room to get some work done. Okay, lighting's kind of horrible because I got the hatch open. My apologies. I'm not gonna get into it. I don't want to dig out all their stuff, but when we took out the safety foam, we installed another bulkhead in there. We've got 2 house batteries stored back behind here. This is the front berth area, under the front berth area, and like our electrical panel and stuff is back up over there. Again, I'm not going to rip that out to show you. Eventually we're going to make a video that showed us building that bulkhead and installing all that stuff, so that's down the road. But how we tow our dinghy. Accidentally left these in the water. 2 floatable ropes right here, because you always want to double up redundancy. I run them through. I got 2 more floaty ropes there going from the front side. Run them through this handle, and then I clip those back over to this side. So 2 and 2. And then dinghy will tow behind us at about 15 feet. Then when they're both doubled up and on there, I can pull it forward, clip it right here on the safety line, and tie it to the side of the boat so we can get on and off real nice and easy. Gotta have a solid anchor with this boat if you're going out somewhere where you don't want to drift away. Plus the little Danforth it came with could snag up really easily. It can't set it up for breakaway. This anchor can be set up for breakaway in case we needed to. Got a bunch of anchor road here, and then we use our little tiny Danforth if we have to throw out a stern anchor. Then we also included our shore power through the front hatch here to protect from the weather a little bit. Cut the hole out on the front hatch. That's pretty much it. That's us with our current setup for cruising the Florida Keys. We're gonna hang some more nets and stuff like that, but it's getting us by. Lesson learned so far for cruising, I could have brought a lot less clothes. I've only worn 3 different outfits so far. Been here for over a week. Less clothes, for sure. I could save a lot of space that way. I think I packed enough to where I could change clothes every day for 7 days. I've been changing my clothes about every other to 3 days. So anyway, there you go. Cruising tips. Even if you have the clothes, you probably won't change because you're just like, ugh. Not doing it. No shower, why change? Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. Maybe I'll give you some ideas, and frigate out.